All right, so we're at lesson 4 now. So you can click on anything. It's not going to hurt anything. All right, lesson 4, they have a little clipboard. It's just a photo. It's really not important because if you go back to lesson 4, as you're going through these items, they will check off, and that's really what you need. Okay. The media is just basically some information. You can read it. You're going to watch the video on chicken and the egg, and this is on getting you ready for the next essay, which is cause and effect. All right. Which came first? You're going to play this, okay? If you're having trouble with it, I would say right-click, open a new window, but it has sound, and it will play. Okay. Let's go back to lesson 4. You'll need to watch that for your discussion post. Okay, cause and effect introduction. Again, you can click through this.
Welcome to the cause and/or effect paper, paper number 2.
Okay, so you can listen to that. Okay, going back, lesson 4. That's going to give you some information about it. Here's the text. It's loading slowly. But again, you could just listen to it, but if you wanted to read along, you could. And it should load at some point. Ah, there it is. Okay, so if you wanted to read along as you listen to the PowerPoint, that's fine. Okay. All right, go back to lesson 4. Okay. Again, when you see viewable and downloadable, they're exactly the same, so you can click on either one and watch either one. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Same information. It's coming. There you go. I would click through all of this very important information. Go through all of the slides. Okay? You're going to need to pay attention to that and make sure you understand it. Okay? Go back to lesson 4. All right. Scrolling down. Okay, so we're going to go over the cause and effect guidelines. It's not a research essay, so you're not to use outside sources. We're going to look at the rubric. You can click on this as well, and I would open in a new tab. This will be very important, and I will look for these different types of sentences in your writing. So it is important that you are comfortable with this and that you totally understand it. Okay, and then the Norton Sampler, you should read the cause and effect chapter, which there will be assignment coming, but not this week. Lesson 4. There's the essay guidelines. Make sure you understand it. Here they give you some examples. Make sure you do not use any research. Okay, pay attention to that. These are some of the choices you can use. If you don't like any of these choices, then you need to let me know via email what choice you would like to do, and then I'll approve it or not. Okay, here's the rubric. Okay, make sure you understand it. All right, going back to lesson 4. Here's the interactive practice. Okay, again, I would always right-click these, open in a new tab. You can scroll through this. Again, these are not graded. They're just for fun, and they're to help you obviously learn the grammar concepts, okay? Going back to the course. Again, you can work on these. Again, they're not graded. Don't panic. Ungraded, it even says it right there. Okay. All right, so make sure you go through all of those things. All right, that's the interactive practice. And if we go back to lesson 4, think of interactive practice as fun. Okay, here's your discussion posting, the chicken and the egg. Oh, sorry. It just tells you that, but I think it's right there at the bottom underneath. Here it is, the discussion posting. And that has to do with the video that you watched, the YouTube video. Okay. There is a quiz here on simple and compound sentences, so make sure you're ready for that by looking over all the information prior to taking that quiz. Okay. It's a pretty light week because it's your thinking week. Again, if you have any questions, just email me.